Good morning, student. 3 days we have done algebra word problem. In 3 days we have done simultaneous equations word problem, quadratic equation word problem, then arithmetic progression word problem. Now today, one more paper we have from Lok Satta. It is prepared by one moderator. It is a model paper on the base of reduced portion and exactly same framework of SSC board. So geometry question number 1, MCQs. Question 1A. Angle ABC inscribed in arc ABC in a circle with center O. ABC inscribed in ABC. ACB inscribed in ACB, and it is 65. Then arc ACB is how much? If it is 65, this is 130. So this is 360 minus 130, 230. So B answer. You have not to write the answer, but I am writing here. If this is 65, opposite arc is double. So total circle is of 360 minus 130, it is 230. The maximum number of the tangent that can be drawn to a circle from a point outside. This is a circle. This is outside point. From outside point, max to max 2 tangent we can draw. So second answer, that is C, 2. In SSC board exam, you have to write the question number, sub question number, and only ABCD. Segment AB is parallel to y-axis, and the coordinate of point A parallel to y-axis, and 1, 3. The coordinate of point B can be whatever the point B on this, it can be 3, 0. No, because this will be constant. Where is 3, 0? 1, 2, 3, 0. It can be here. 5 and 3, it can here. 1 and minus 3, it can here. 3 and 1, it can be here. So segment AB is parallel to y-axis. The coordinate of B, this is A, and B can be 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. This is the possibility of B. Third answer, that is C, 1 minus 3. Because 1 will be constant. So with 1 only you have to select. Where x-axis, x coordinate is 1, that only you have to select. A, B, C, D. It is given median, so both the base are equal. So ABD divided by CBD. Both heights are equal, both base are equal. So what is the area 1 divided by area 2? Heights are equal, base are equal, so 1 by 1, so final answer is 1. So that is C. Now question number 1B. 1 mark question. Find the side of square whose diagonal is 10. When diagonal is given, find side by formula. When sides given, you can find diagonal by the formula. What is the formula for square? Side is equal to diagonal divided by root 2, or diagonal is equal to side into root 2. Diagonal is given 10, so this formula. Remove root from the denominator, so 10 root 2 with 2. So when in square side is given, diagonal is equal to side into root 2. When diagonal is given and side you have to find, so diagonal divided by root 2. Don't do by Pythagoras or any calculation. Quadrilateral PQRS is cyclic. PQRS. P is 60. How much is this? So measure angle P plus measure angle R is equal to 180. Opposite angle of cyclic angle are supplementary, and this is given 60. It is 120. First, second, third. This is given parallel. A, B, C, D, E. DB is 1.8, it is given. AD 5.4 given. AE 7.2 given. This is the question. So in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC given. Therefore, by basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB, AE by EC. So 5.4 divided by 1.8 is equal to 7.2 divided by EC. Finally, we want EC. Do cross product. This into this divided by this. 18 forza 54 forza 216. So 1 decimal, no decimal. It will be less if I put this. This decimal cut, this decimal cut, 18 forza. I have taken wrong cross product, sorry. EC into 5.4 is equal to 7.2 into 1.8. So EC is equal to 7.2 into 1.8, 5.4. Correct? Now 3s you can cut. With 3 this you can cut. So 2.4 centimeter. All are given in centimeter. Two circles having radii 6.5, 4.8 centimeter touch each other internally. Find the distance between the center. Internally. This distance we want. Radii 1 bigger is 6.5 centimeter. Radii 2 is equal to smaller 4.8 centimeter. So this is A, this is B. Distance AB is equal to R1, R2. Touching internally. 6.5 minus 4.8, 1.7 centimeter it is given. So distance between two centers, that is AB. Draw a circle with the center C and radius 4. Draw any diameter PQ. C is the center. PQ is the diameter. Take a point R and S on a semicircle. R and S on a semicircle. On semicircle means on same side. Measure S and R and write it. Say the property you will get. Measure this, measure this. Measure angle R is equal to measure angle S is equal to 90. And at the end you have to write the property. What is on which base, on which property you are getting the answer. So angle inscribed in semicircle is right angle, always angle inscribed in semicircle, always right angle. Now point is given. A is given, B is given, P is given. We have to find out A 15 and 5, 9 and 20, 11 and 15. So Pxy, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. It is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. M by 2, n by 1. Now these coordinates are given 11 15 is equal to m 9m plus 15n m plus n with phi of this y 20m phi n m plus n. Now any one ratio you can take, but check it by both. In exam you will do with only one ratio. Cross product. So 11m plus 11n is equal to 9m plus 15n. 15m plus 15n is equal to 20m plus 5n. m, this goes this side. 11 minus 9, 2m. This goes this side. 14 minus 11, 4n. So divide by 2. So m is equal to 2n. So m by n is equal to 2 by 1. Okay, 1m 2n. So m n is equal to 2 1. M I have taken this side. So 5m 10n divided by 5 2n m. So m by n, m coefficient is 1. So 1 here 2. So both are 2:1. In exam you have to calculate only in one part. Second part you can calculate in rough work. So you can tell your answer that your answer is 100% correct or not. Now one diagram is given ABC. This is 90, this is theta. They have asked cosec theta. No value, direct formula and substitution. Cosec means opposite hypotenuse. For this opposite is AB. For this hypotenuse is AC. That much. In cot theta, opposite adjacent. Cot adjacent opposite. Inverse of 10. Here also wait. Cosec is equal to 1 by sine. Sine is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse by opposite. Sorry. Hypotenuse AC. Opposite AB. Please note. Cot is equal to adjacent opposite. Adjacent of this. Opposite of this. Now question number 2B. Area of triangle, area of question number 2B. Triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR, it is given. and area of triangle ABC is equal to 16 times, no, it is 16. And area of triangle PQR is equal to 25. To find AB, PQ, AB, PQ question. See, this is important question. This type of the question they'll ask. Triangle ABC, similar triangle PQ are given. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ square. Area 1 by area 2 is equal to side 1, side 2, individual square or direct square you can write. So these are 16 divided by 25 is equal to AB PQ. Take square root on both the side. So 4 by 5 AB by PQ. These are related to side, so it cannot be negative. We have to find out midpoint. Question number 2B2. A is given, B is given, 12, 10, 0, 6, x1, y1, x2, y2, midpoint xy. M is midpoint of AB. Midpoint formula. I will send you again the list of the formula. You have to buy out all the formula first, then you can start for the revision. X1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So mxy 12 plus 0 divided by 2, 10 plus 6 divided by 2, 12 by 2, 16 by 2, 6 and 8. That is m. Final answer 6, 8, 6x coordinate, 8y coordinate. Construct a tangent to a circle with the radii this at any point. 3.5 centimeter is given radii. To take a point on a circle and to draw single tangent. So draw this side. From here 1, 2. Less than radii. From here more than radii. Up, down. From here same arc 1, 2. Show your perpendicular distance. This is the center. This is the point P you have taken. A, B, C, D, E it is given. Center is not B. AE is equal to 95. DC is equal to 1 to 1. This formula is not there, but we will complete. Measure angle ABE is equal to half of major arc plus major arc AE DC. AE 95 plus DC 1 to 1 216,108 half. So measure angle ABE is 108. Now very good question is given. In triangle PQR, QR, RP, root 3, root 5, root 8. Is this right angle triangle? If it is yes, then which angle is 90 in PQR? So highest is this. So RP square is equal to root 8 square is equal to 8. Sum of rest of 2, PQ square, QR square, root 3 square, root 5 square. So square of highest length is equal to the sum of square of rest of 2. If it is equal, then 100% it is right angle triangle. Therefore, PQ square plus QR square is equal to RP square. So RP is a diagonal because it is the longest side of the triangle, right angle triangle. Therefore, triangle PQR is right angle triangle in measure angle Q is equal to 90. Two question, whether it is right angle or not. If it is right angle, then which angle is 90? At which angle it is right angle? So PR is the longest side. So opposite to that, PR opposite is Q. PR, this is the longest side. Opposite is Q. This is QR is root 5. This is root 3. So 100% it is a right angle triangle. One more question I want to take. Pratik, how many minutes remain, beta? Pratik,
Yes, sir.
how many minutes remain?
3 minutes.
Now question 3, 4 I am doing. Whose length is 16 centimeter? Whose area is 192 centimeter square? Breadth X and diagonal Y. So X also we have to find, Y also we have to find. A, B, C, D. Calculated A, B, C, D is rectangle. Length is equal to 16 centimeter. Breadth is equal to x centimeter. Area is equal to 192 centimeter square. So area is equal to length into breadth. 192, it is length into breadth, means x. So x is equal to 192 divided by 16. 16 ones are, 16 twos are. So this is 12 centimeter. 3 fours are 4 fours are 5 fives are. It will become 5 fives are. 4 into 4, 4 into 3, 4 into 5, 3, 4, 5 is a triplet. When all the triplet are multiplied by same number 4, so new triplet you will get. Okay, no problem. So length square plus breadth square is equal to diagonal square. Length square 16 square, breadth square 12 square. Diagonal square means y square. 16, 16, 12, 12. So 3 fours are 4 fours are 5 fours are. It should be 20, so it should be 400. Twelve twelves are correct. 16 squares are 256. Sorry, 200, 300, 400. So diagonal should be 40. So breadth